Antarctica. The name itself evokes images of a desolate, icy wilderness. This southernmost continent is a place of extremes, where life clings to existence in the face of relentless cold and unforgiving conditions. Antarctica is vast, covering an area larger than the United States and Mexico combined. It is a continent almost entirely buried beneath a thick ice sheet, averaging over a mile in depth. The closest inhabited landmass lies over 600 miles away across the treacherous Southern Ocean. This distance, coupled with the extreme weather conditions, has made Antarctica one of the most difficult places on Earth to reach and explore. Yet, despite its remoteness and harsh environment, Antarctica holds a powerful allure, drawing scientists, adventurers, and dreamers seeking to unravel its mysteries. The continent is a land of stark beauty, where towering glaciers carve through mountains and vast ice shelves carve into the sea, creating icebergs of astonishing size. The ice sheet itself holds a staggering amount of fresh water, representing around 70% of the world's total. This frozen reservoir plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns, making Antarctica a place of vital importance to the entire planet. Scientists from around the world come to Antarctica to study a wide range of subjects, from climate change and geology to marine biology and astronomy. Antarctica is a continent of extremes, where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows and winds howl across the ice with ferocious intensity. The average winter temperature in the interior hovers around -76 degrees Fahrenheit, and temperatures as low as -128 degrees Fahrenheit have been recorded. Adding to the harshness of the environment are the katabatic winds, which roar down from the interior plateau, driven by gravity and the difference in temperature between the cold, dense air over the ice sheet and the warmer air over the surrounding ocean. These winds can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, creating blinding snowstorms and making travel across the continent a perilous undertaking. Beneath the surface of the ice sheet lies another world, a hidden realm of subglacial lakes and rivers. One of the most remarkable of these hidden lakes is Lake Vostok, a vast body of water buried beneath over 2 miles of ice. Lake Vostok is thought to have been isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years, and scientists believe it may harbor unique life forms that have adapted to the extreme conditions. The discovery of subglacial lakes like Lake Vostok has revolutionized our understanding of Antarctica, revealing a complex and dynamic environment beneath the seemingly barren surface. The exploration of Antarctica is a tale of human courage, determination, and the relentless pursuit of discovery. For centuries, the frozen continent remained a mystery, a blank space on maps, its existence shrouded in legend and speculation. It wasn't until the late 18th century that explorers began to venture into the Southern Ocean, seeking to chart the unknown waters and discover new lands. The early 19th century marked the beginning of the heroic age of Antarctic exploration, a time of intense rivalry and daring expeditions. Explorers like James Cook, Fabian von Bellingshausen, and Nathaniel Palmer made significant contributions to our understanding of the continent, but it was Roald Amundsen and Robert Falcon Scott whose names became synonymous with the race to the South Pole. In 1911, Amundsen, a Norwegian explorer, led the first successful expedition to reach the South Pole, arriving on December 14th, using dog sleds and his knowledge of polar travel to navigate the treacherous terrain. Scott's British expedition arrived at the pole a month later, only to find that they had been beaten. Tragically, Scott and his men perished on their return journey, succumbing to exhaustion, starvation, and the bitter cold. Although Ernest Shackleton's 1914 expedition to cross the continent ended in failure when his ship, the Endurance, was crushed by ice, Shackleton's leadership and unwavering determination in the face of adversity became legendary. The heroic age of Antarctic exploration may be over, but the spirit of discovery lives on. Antarctica is a treasure trove of scientific information, holding clues to the history of our planet and the forces that shape our world. Ice cores drilled from the deep interior of the ice sheet provide a unique record of past climate conditions, stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. By analyzing the trapped air bubbles and isotopes in the ice, scientists can reconstruct past temperatures, atmospheric composition, and even volcanic eruptions. Ice core data has been instrumental in understanding the role of greenhouse gases in climate change. Antarctica is also a crucial location for studying ozone depletion. The ozone layer, which protects life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation, thins dramatically over Antarctica each spring, creating what is known as the ozone hole. Beyond climate science, Antarctica is a hub for research in fields such as geology, marine biology, and astronomy. The unique marine ecosystem surrounding Antarctica is home to a diverse array of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Antarctica, with its remoteness and extreme conditions, has long been a breeding ground for mysteries and speculation. While many of these have been explained by science, others continue to capture the imagination, blurring the line between fact and fiction. One enduring mystery is the existence of bloodfalls, a crimson-colored waterfall that spills from the Taylor Glacier into Lake Bonny. The reddish hue, once attributed to red algae, is now known to be caused by iron-rich saltwater trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years, oxidizing rapidly upon exposure to air. The Wilkes land gravity anomaly, a massive area of unusually high gravity detected by satellites, has fueled speculation about a hidden impact crater, potentially linked to the extinction of the dinosaurs. While the existence of a crater remains unconfirmed, the anomaly highlights the complex geological history of the continent. Conspiracy theories abound, from claims of hidden Nazi bases and ancient pyramids to tales of UFO sightings and portals to other dimensions. These theories, often fueled by misinterpretations of satellite images and anecdotal evidence, lack scientific basis and have been debunked by experts. The true wonders of Antarctica lie in its scientific discoveries, its stunning landscapes, and the remarkable resilience of life in the face of extreme conditions. Buried beneath over 2 miles of ice in the heart of Antarctica lies Lake Vostok, the largest and deepest of Antarctica's subglacial lakes. Sealed off from the rest of the world for millions of years, Lake Vostok is a time capsule of unique environmental conditions, offering tantalizing possibilities for the discovery of life forms unlike anything we've ever seen. The extreme pressure, perpetual darkness, and lack of nutrients in Lake Vostok create an environment that would be instantly lethal to most known life forms. Yet scientists believe that extremophiles, organisms capable of surviving in the harshest conditions on Earth, may thrive in this alien world. Initial studies of water samples retrieved near the lake's surface revealed the presence of microbial life, genetically distinct from known organisms. The discovery sparked excitement among scientists, suggesting the potential for a rich and diverse ecosystem hidden beneath the ice. However, contamination from drilling fluids used to reach the lake has complicated efforts to study the lake's pristine environment. The potential for discovering life in Lake Vostok raises profound questions about the limits of life on Earth and the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe. Antarctica, the frozen continent at the bottom of the world, may seem remote and disconnected from our daily lives, yet this icy wilderness plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns, influencing ocean currents, and providing valuable insights into the history of our planet and the forces that are shaping its future. The vast ice sheet covering Antarctica acts like a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight back into space and helping to cool the Earth. As global temperatures rise due to climate change, the melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is a major concern, with the potential to raise sea levels and inundate coastal communities around the world. Antarctica's ice cores, containing trapped air bubbles and isotopes, provide a unique record of past climate conditions, allowing scientists to track the rise and fall of greenhouse gases and understand how they have influenced Earth's climate over millennia. The unique marine ecosystem surrounding Antarctica is teeming with life, from microscopic phytoplankton to massive whales. These organisms play a vital role in the global carbon cycle, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and sequestering it in the deep ocean. Understanding how these ecosystems will respond to climate change is essential for predicting future impacts on marine life and global climate. Antarctica, with its pristine environment and unique research opportunities, serves as a global laboratory for scientific collaboration. The future of Antarctica is inextricably linked to our own, and its preservation is crucial for the well-being of generations to come.